Hi, today I will share my newest Canva sticker design. First, go to element. I will use this X leather frame, and then I will upload a photo, a ski photo, and then I will increase the size and send it to back. Select the photo and I will place it here, and then duplicate the photo and insert to the X frame. Now double click on it, increase the size, and then adjust the position. Alright, now click done, and then select the first photo and choose BG remover. Send it to front, and then crop it like this, and then duplicate, place on the origin, and then drag it here and crop it here. Now download it as PNG with transparent background. Remove all these elements, upload the PNG here, remove the background, and then go to edit and choose shadow and choose outline, and then change the color to white, back, and then choose image upscaler. Click 4 times the maximum and click upscale. Click replace, go back, and then back, and click shadow, choose drop. I will add the blur amount and the distance. I will change the background. So now you have it. See you next video and have fun with Canva.